Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating this makeup look inspired by or for Valentine's Day, let's say. I've literally used like 2 or 3 shades like on my eyes. I've done a really simple look because I always find that simple looks are just easier for me because I'm not amazing at makeup. And I also thought I'd wear this jumper just because it's got pink and red on it, just for the vibe of Valentine's Day. So if you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please carry on watching. Okay, so as you can tell, I've already done my eyebrows as per. I always do that in every video. First of all, I'm going to be taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I've got a video of me testing this out on my channel if you wanted to watch that, and I'll link it down below in the description. I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this. So today for this look I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette because I'm going to be doing pink. First of all, I'm going to take this warm taupe shade and put it all over my eyelid. And then to intensify this, I'm going to be taking Love Letter, this really pink shade, and putting it on my lid. As you can tell, I haven't actually blended that out yet, so I'm going to be blending it out with the MAC 224 brush. Just putting a little bit on the brush and then blending it out. So as you can see, it's kind of like lost a bit of the colour, so I'm just going to add some more with the MAC brush as well and put it on my eyelid and just blend that out as well. So that is literally all that I'm going to do for my eye. I just think it's really simple, but it looks really effective. And I was going to do some eyeliner on my eyes, but I've just realised that all of my eyeliners have actually run out and I don't have any that I like. So that's all that I'm going to be doing for this eyelid. I'm going to do my other eye off of camera, and then I'll be back to do the rest of my face. Okay, so I've done the other eye off of camera, and now I'm going to be doing my foundation, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I bought this when I was in Liverpool and I went to Harvey Nichols and I bought one. I've already used it before though, but yeah, I'm going to be using this all over my base. I'm just going to pump a few squirts onto my hand and then use my beauty blender and put it all over my face. So I really like the Fenty foundation. I think it's really good. It's quite dry, so if you have dry skin then I suppose it's not really for everyone, but I do recommend it. I think it's so nice and I was so excited when I bought it. The lady who helped me was so helpful, like she was really nice. So again, I'm going to be taking the Revolution Concealer and putting this on my chin and under my eyes, as I always do. And then I'm going to be taking my Beauty Blender and blending it in. So I'm going to be finishing off my eyes before I do my contour today. I know I don't usually do that, but I thought I'd do my eyes before I did my like my base and stuff, just because sometimes these are really pigmented and I don't really want any fallout. So I'm just going to be taking Love Letter again from the Modern Renaissance palette and just putting this under my eyes as well. I've done my makeup in such a weird order today. Now I'm just going to be taking my Rimmel London powder and powdering all of my face. So now I'm going to be taking Give Me Sun Bronzer by MAC, and same brush as I always use. And then to actually contour, I'm going to be taking this sleek bronzer and highlighting kit and this big brush. What was it? A wing brush? I don't know what this brush is called, but I'm going to be using this, and this is what I'm going to be doing to actually contour. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Mary Luminizer as per. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking Tempera on my finger, keeping it simple by using the same palette and just putting it in here. And then for mascara, I'm going to be taking a combination of the B Cosmetics mascara and then the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara as well. First one I'm going to be taking is the B Cosmetics one. Okay, so that's my eyes all finished, and now I'm going to be moving on to my lips. For my lips, I am going to be taking Velvet Teddy by MAC. And then I'm going to be putting this CN lip gloss over the top because I did it before and a couple of people said they looked really nice. And then I also got asked, I think it was 2 or 3 people asked me where this is from. I don't know for sure, but I know that I've seen this CN, I don't know if that's going to focus. But I've seen this CN brand or company in Lidl before. It might be from there, I'm really not sure because I took this from my mum's makeup collection. Sorry mum. But yeah, I'm going to be putting this over the top and I'm not 100% sure if that is where it's from, but it might be. But this is the final look. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know that it's quite simple. I know I'm not amazing at makeup. I don't think I'm the best at makeup because I'm definitely not. I'm far from it. But I think this is really simple and anyone can actually do it. Like, it's really not hard. I use 3 eyeshadow colours and I just think it's really nice, and especially for Valentine's Day. Wearing pink or anything like that, I don't know, pink, red, purple, I just love it for Valentine's Day. And I might actually do my eyes like this on Valentine's Day, who knows. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, and thank you for watching. Bye!